Hello, welcome to Learn British English Free, the YouTube channel. My name is Chris. This is a lesson about a grammar topic. I want to explain some things about can, could, and to be able to. Sometimes these things are the same, sometimes they are different. I want to explain some of the similarities and differences for you today. Please use the subtitles or captions to understand me more, or read the notes in the description on YouTube. You might understand more like that. Let's start with can. Can is a modal verb in English, a special type of verb to do with possibility, permission. These are important topics for can. I can do it. This is my ability. I can speak English. I can teach English. I can't do it. Or I cannot do it. That's a negative version. One thing about these words is what time period can we use them in? Can is not possible in the past. I can't say, yesterday I can go to bed early. It doesn't work. I need could. I will explain more later. We can use can for permission and asking questions. Can I go out? I ask for permission. Take care. You can't smoke here. This is an instruction, also an obligation. You can't smoke here. It's not allowed. It's like must not in the negative way. You can't smoke here. I can speak 3 languages. I can't speak 3 languages. Maybe I can speak 2, but not 3. I can't speak 3 languages. I don't have the ability. We can use can to explain something in the future in terms of our ideas or what is possible in the future. I can see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, I have the ability to see you. It's possible now. Tomorrow, we will see. Time for could. Could. It's a modal verb as well, like can. I could come. In the negative, I couldn't come, or I could not come. Now, could, one way we can use it is in the past. It means can in the past. Yesterday, I could go to bed early. It's just the past form of can. That's one thing about could. It is more polite than can as well when we use it for questions. Could you do that outside, please? It's a little bit more polite than can. Can you do that outside? Could you do that outside, please? I add please to make it even more polite, of course. Again, we can use could with a future meaning. I could come tomorrow. Now it seems possible. Tomorrow we will see, but now I could come tomorrow. And an extra meaning, more complicated. Sometimes we say could not or couldn't when we explain something we don't want to do. I couldn't make fun of him. It means I really don't want to make jokes about him. An extra meaning of could there. Now, to be able to. This is not a modal verb, and it's not so common as can or could because it is longer. We are lazy. We prefer the short words to use can. Able Ability. Able, ability. The same meaning. I have the ability to do something. I am able to do it. Or I'm able to do it. I'm able to see him now. Or I'm not able to see him now. Positive, negative. We can use it in the future with will. I will be able to come tomorrow. This way it's more useful. We can't say I can come tomorrow. But we can use be able to. I will be able to come tomorrow. I won't be able to come tomorrow. Negative. We can use it with past forms as well. Like, I was able to do that when I was younger. I used to be able to do that. We can't use can and could in those structures. Those conclude the ideas that I wanted to talk about. Can, could, to be able to. It is more confusing. There are more meanings than what I have explained here. Please look in the description on YouTube at the bottom. 3 websites. You can click on the links. You can read more about the same things, the different things, with these 3 verbs or verb forms. I hope this helped. Please write comments. Ask questions. Tell me, is this good or bad? And write some examples using can, can't, could, couldn't, able to, not able to. I want to read them. Thank you very much. My name is Chris. I'm the English teacher on Learn British English Free on YouTube. I also publish free lessons on Learn British English on Facebook. The website is www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. Please look again in the description for the links to the websites. Please join. Everyone is welcome. Thanks again for watching. It's very nice of you. I will see you soon. Goodbye.